Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making a rich and creamy badam ice cream, loaded with nuts, saffron flavor, and a smooth homemade texture that melts beautifully in every bite. Let's start the recipe. Take half cup peanut. Add 1/4 cup almond and cashews. Soak for about 30 minutes. Peel the almonds. Soak nuts properly for smooth blending. And pour all the nuts into a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Now in a pan add 2 cups milk. Keep stirring and let the milk come to a boil. Add some saffron and 2 drops yellow food color. Mix gently. Saffron has been used in royal dessert for centuries. Now add the blended nut mixture into the milk. Stir continuously so everything combines nicely. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Add 1/4 cup sugar. Mix well. Keep stirring the milk to prevent burning. Now cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until slightly thick and rich. Allow the mixture to cool completely. Pour it into a blender once again. Pour it into a blender and blend for an extra smooth texture. Blending twice helps create extra creamy texture. Transfer into a mold. Spread dry fruits on top. Adding dry fruits on top gives extra crunch and flavor. Cover and freeze for 6 to 8 hours until perfectly set. Cool the mixture fully before freezing. Badam ice cream is famous for its rich nutty flavor. Homemade ice cream can be made without any machine. Almond and cashews contain healthy fats and nutrients. Milk provides calcium and protein. Homemade desserts are fresher and preservative free. You can control sweetness according to your preference. Your creamy homemade badam ice cream is ready. Enjoy the chill nutty dessert with family and friends. Try this recipe and tell me your favorite ice cream flavor in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade dessert and sweet recipes.